Roger Lloyd, and I am the administrator of the Carpet Cleaning World Facebook group. And on YouTube, I'm your carpet cleaners consultant. Now, I just wanted to go over a few things that you may or may not be aware of. I've been posting in all the groups and on my YouTube channel about the upcoming Experience Cleaning Convention. Now, what this is all about is connecting the cleaning and the restoration industry by having the largest carpet restore and restoration trade show in the industry. Now, the first one for the year of 2021 is on April 19th, 20th, and 21st. That's on the East Coast and Charleston, South Carolina at the Embassy Suites. The second one is on the West Coast in Las Vegas, Nevada at the Paris and Casino Hotel. That will be on the 8th, 9th, and the 10th. Now, we do have some early bird specials. Let me show you what this is all about. Oop, give me a minute there. There we go. 1 second here. So now, on April 18th, we have an early bird special with a seminar, a marketing seminar, where you can come and register for the Experience Convention at 3 o'clock. And then at 3:30, we're going to meet over in the big classroom, and we're going to have a marketing seminar at no cost to you to get you started, so you'll understand the difference between buying a job in the service industry and buying exposure. A lot of times we think with this online advertising, we want to advertise on Facebook. Of course, we want to advertise on Google AdWords and pay per click. And then we have Yelp, Home Advisor, and the list goes on of these lead generation companies. Well, at this marketing seminar, the pre-experience, I'm going to explain to you how you can buy a job by buying a lead. That's why they tell you they're lead generation companies. They sell leads. But what you want to buy is exposure. And exposure, when you have exposure like all the big companies do, and all the jobs just fall into your lap. And we're going to take the time at 3:30, the pre-experience on April 18th, and we're going to explain that to you. And then in September, on September 7th of 2021, at the Paris Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada, we're going to do it again. Because we don't want you just to come to these conventions and just get all the samples and just be able to see what's in the industry, and you really don't have the finances or the work to support purchasing these things that really will enhance your business and cleaning professional experience. So you want to be able to purchase these things. That's what these conventions are all for, to show you what's the best tools and cleaning agents and marketing and so forth and so on in our industry. Remember, you chose this industry. This industry did not choose you. Secondly, I want to tell you the experience on April 19th, 20th, and 21st, and the pre-experience on the 18th. If you're a member of my Facebook group, the Carpet Cleaning World, you can get $20 off the full registration. $20 off the full registration. So all you have to do is book your room at the Embassy Suites under the Experience Convention. It'll be $181 a night. I know what you're saying, $181. Well, wait a minute. You get free daily breakfast every day of the convention. Then you get free cocktails every day of the convention. So when you add up the cocktails, when you add up what you would spend for the breakfast for 3 days, that's not a bad deal, $181. And then you get a nice medium-sized suite for you alone or you and your significant other. You want to come to these events. There's one on the East Coast every year. There's one on the West Coast every year. At least you want to come see what the industry has to offer. Remember, everything changes every day. You know, I was just talking to my wife and I told her, you know, about 30 years ago when I started out in this industry, you could go in a house and from top to bottom, it was wall to wall carpet. But then eventually, as time progressed and moved on, they started doing more tile and grout on the main level. They still have carpets upstairs, or they're doing more wood on the mid level and they have carpet upstairs. So you better come to these conventions so you can learn the latest tools and the changes that are happening in our industry. And then they have a flood house where they teach you, there's a class that teaches you how to do flood restoration. You know, right now you think you might just go in and wet vac something up and get paid and you're out. No, it's a lot more than that. There's a drying process. You have to measure how much moisture is in the air, and you have to know how to cut the carpet up. If you have to tear carpet up and 6 feet lengths, roll it up and put it out for the trash unless you rented a dumpster. These are things that you want to come to the experience so you can experience for yourself, ladies and gentlemen. I can't emphasize and thank Larry Cooper, the founder and owner of the experience, and his wonderful team, Jen Wilkinson, Becky Tomeo. You probably heard that name, Tomeo. Yes, that's Mason's daughter, Becky. She's involved in this. She's on the team. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to see you at the convention so I know you're taking the next stride for your prosperity, for the longevity of your business. And what else should I tell you? You got to book your rooms now. Do you realize we have maybe a month and 5 days before it's here? A month and 5 days. Winter's gone, ladies and gentlemen. We survived. The pandemic seems like it's coming down and starting to take a detour instead of a up, going up anymore. So it's time for us to do what we do best. And we want to learn and get educated and know what this industry has to offer so you can go back to your little piece of the world and you can set the standard in your area by which all other cleaners are judged. And then that'll bring our industry up as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Roger Lloyd. And as I told you, I'm the admin of the Carpet Cleaning World Facebook group. And I'm also on YouTube as the Carpet Cleaners Consultant. I urge you, I implore you, register now. Don't wait. Don't wait till the last minute. It might be too late. Register now. Get your room at Embassy Suites. Get your $181 together. Go do a job or two. Get your $181 together and book your room. You know, we all know we're getting a little bit of stimulus money. Invest it in yourself. Make this the best investment for you at the beginning of 2021. You'll never regret it. I guarantee it. And also at the pre-experience, if you come the day before and you become an early bird, we're going to have prizes. I'm going to be giving away some cleaning agents. I may have a tool, a shear dry or something to give away that Rotovac might offer. I may have something from Mighty to offer you. You don't know, but there's going to be prizes. So you can start winning and getting the experience before the actual experience even starts. Be a part of this. Be a part of your industry. I'm going to end it on this note. You chose this industry. It didn't choose you. So do what you can to bring it up while you're in it. Or don't complain. Thank you, and I'll see you there.